How to turn off Snapchat location. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your location on your Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app, and then once you're in your Snapchat app, tap on your profile in the top left side here. Then tap on settings in the top right corner here, and then here scroll down, and here you will see my location option. Tap on it, and then you have to turn on this ghost mode. But if you turn on this ghost mode, your friends or your friends accept, or only these friends will see your location. So if you want to turn off your location entirely from Snapchat, what you have to do is you have to go to the Snapchat's app info on your phone. So if you are on Android, press and hold the Snapchat icon, and then you will see here the app info option. Tap on it, then here tap on permissions, and in permissions you have to tap on this location here, and then here select deny, and now your location for Snapchat is entirely turned off. So this is how you can turn off Snapchat location. Thanks for watching.